Ever notice how you can scroll half a mile on your phone or reload the dishwasher for the fourth time, yet taking one calm breath feels impossible? Parents are carrying inboxes, grocery lists, and mental alarm clocks in the same brain that's supposed to stay patient when orange juice spills. The fix isn't a 2-week retreat. It's a pocket-sized habit you can run before the kettle boils. Tonight we're loading 5 tiny mindfulness drills into your toolbox, each one only 90 seconds long, so you can reboot your nervous system anytime the household tilts toward overload. Picture the day revving up. Breakfast plates clatter, someone can't find clean socks, the dog wants out. Slide drill 1 into that gap between. Where are my keys? And, we're late. Stand tall, plant both feet, and let your gaze land on one nearby object. Maybe the toaster or Lego brick. Name 3 visible details. Its exact color, one texture, one shape you'd never noticed. Speak them out loud, softly. Next, catch 3 sounds hiding underneath the noise: refrigerator hum, distant traffic, your own breathing. Finally, feel 3 contact points on your body. Floor under heels, fabric on shoulders, air at the tip of your nose. 9 observations, 90 seconds, and the brain that was sprinting just slowed to a walk without anyone even realizing you pause. Fast forward to mid-afternoon Zoom fatigue or school pickup gridlock for drill 2. Sit upright. Imagine a string lifting the crown of your head, then breathe in through your nose to a silent 4 count. Purse your lips and exhale like you're cooling soup, counting 6. That longer out breath taps the vagus nerve, basically the body's chill switch. Repeat the cycle 4 more times. On the last exhale, glance at a clock. You're almost exactly at 1.5 minutes, yet the tight band around your ribs has eased and your shoulders dropped an inch. Dinner crunch time? Slide into drill 3, which sneaks calm into motion. Grab a dish towel, start wiping the counter in slow figure 8s. Match each stroke to the words, in, and, out, whispered under your breath. Notice the cloth's dampness, the faint citrus cleaner scent, the change from crumb speckled to clean sheen. Action stays productive. Mind stays here, not spinning into tomorrow's carpool puzzle. By the time the surface sparkles, your pulse is 20 beats lower. Evening homework meltdown arrives, little voices rise. That's drill 4's cue, box breathing with a visual twist kids can join. Trace a square in the air with your fingertip. Up for 4 counts while inhaling, across for 4 while holding, down for 4 while exhaling, across for 4 while holding empty. Your finger's motion gives eyes a focal point, which hijacks wandering thoughts. 2 full squares equal 90 seconds. Bonus. The child glued to a tricky math worksheet can copy your motions and calm their own storm without a lecture. The house finally dims, but your brain wants to replay every to-do item. Time for drill 5 under the covers. 5 4 3 2 1 sensory countdown, but trim it to fit the clock. Inhale. Silently note 5 things you can hear in the dark, maybe distant traffic, a ticking clock, your heartbeat, a floorboard creak, the neighbor's dog. Exhale. Find 4 points of contact: heels, calves, shoulder blades, back of head. Next breath, picture 3 things you enjoyed today: a joke, warm coffee, a hug. 1 more inhale, recall 2 smells: fresh laundry, shampoo. Exhale and choose 1 word for tomorrow's mood: steady, playful, sharp, your pick. 90 seconds later the mental hamster wheel has slowed, giving sleep a fair shot. Thread these drills into the day like beads on a string. Label them in your head: 9 details, 4 6 breath, figure 8 wipe, air square, bedtime countdown. Post a cheat sheet on the fridge if you like. The real magic appears when kids notice. A preschooler watching you trace a square may ask to try. A teen might roll eyes the first time but mimic the breath count before finals. Expect hiccups. You'll forget a drill, or a phone ping will cut the box breath in half. No issue, restart or pick another drill. Mindfulness isn't fragile, it's more like Velcro: stick again and again. Measure progress in tiny wins. The moment you answer a whiny question without snapping, or you notice the sunset color instead of your inbox badge. After a week, choose a family code word, maybe reset. that cues everyone to launch any drill when tension spikes. Shared language turns a personal tool into a team habit. When the first quiet victory lands, maybe the morning rush feels 30% lighter, swing back here and brag in the comments. Hit like if a 90-second pause kept dinner on friendly terms, and subscribe because next video turns straight chore battles into a grid building game board kids beg to play. 9 details, 4-6 breaths, figure 8 wipe, air square, bedtime countdown, 5 pocket pauses, each shorter than a microwave cycle, ready whenever life hits redline. You've got 90 seconds, the calm is already counting down.